What's going on, everyone? This is a problem from Khan Academy that came up on Pythagorean theorem. What I understand is you're trying to find the length of this orange line, it's rope, given a rectangle right here with the dimensions that are labeled given. Okay, so in this scenario, a couple of things come into play. The properties of a rectangle. I think there's some 3, 4, 5 stuff in here that's going to happen. But the sub problem is to create a triangle from this diagonal line. So I need to draw this auxiliary line right here. Okay. And when I draw that line, the property of rectangles comes into play. If this length is 20, that length is 20. And if this length from here to here is 10, well, that means this length here is 10. Because all I've done was drawn a perpendicular line that's parallel to this other side. Well, that leaves me with 25 for the length from here all the way over to here, 10 of which is consumed in this part. That means this part is 15. And so if I just pull that triangle out and just draw a quick sketch of it. So if I have something like this, right triangle with a side of 15, a side of 20, and I'm going to use R for the rope. Then I can use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. In this case, 20 squared plus 15 squared. Remember, these two can be reversed because they're legs. And then the hypotenuse we're going to say is R squared. So, sticking with my algebra, take the root of both sides. So in one step, I can do the square root of 20 squared plus 15 squared, and that's going to give me R, which is the rope. So if you're looking at your calculator, you can set that up, hit the second button, hit the squared button, so the inverse of squaring a number is taking square root. So I hit that square root, 20 squared plus 15 squared, close my parentheses, gives me a length of 25. So R is equal to 25. But wait, there's more. With knowledge comes power. If you look at this diagram, or this triangle, you can see that 5 goes into both of these numbers. So 5 goes into this 3 times, 5 goes into this 4 times, and then it should be apparent this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 5 is 25. So it's also a 3, 4, 5 right triangle.